Hey, you. Can you pause for a bit? Kumusta ka? When was the last time you truly asked yourself that question? You know, we talk a lot about success, deadlines, goals, pero bihira nating tanungin, am I still okay? Because sometimes we're so busy taking care of everything that we forget to take care of ourselves. If you're tired, that's okay. If you feel empty, that's okay. You don't have to be strong every single day. It's okay to admit that you're not okay. Taking care of your mental health isn't selfish, it's survival. You deserve rest, peace, and time to breathe. Hindi mo kailangang i-please lahat ng tao. Hindi mo kailangan laging okay sa paningin ng iba. You're allowed to slow down. You are allowed to cry. You are allowed to ask for help. And you are allowed to heal in your own time. So today, before you check your phone, before you scroll or reply to everyone else, please check on yourself first. Drink water, take a walk, breathe, talk to someone you trust. Listen to your body and your heart because you matter. Your feelings are valid and your mental health is just as important as your dreams. So, this is your gentle reminder that take care of your mind, take care of your heart, and never apologize for putting yourself first. Be good to yourself. Have a blessed Sunday. Ciao.